Hey everyone, it's Geraint here. It's Sunday, it's sunny, and I'm going to be doing some yoga outside. I'm really excited. I hope you're all enjoying your weekends and enjoying the sunshine if you can. So today I'm going to be learning a yoga flow that you can find on the Carry Ed Dance app, which is an app I run for my dance school, Carry Ed Dance. So we offer ballroom and Latin American tuition primarily, but we also offer commercial, contemporary, dance for older people, which is run by Beth from Pilapala Arts Wales, and also some yoga with Diana Brooke from Diana Brooke Yoga with Soul. So we have loads on offer on the app, so if you do want to go and check that out, I'm going to add it into the bio below. Check that out. Yes, great, because we offer from beginner to advanced level, so anyone can learn at home at the moment. As the majority of us are restricted to our houses, it's nice. You can take up a hobby and you can do it in the living room, kitchen, dining room, outside, wherever you like, really. So yeah, check that out. You can download it off the Google Play Store, or you can get it, via the online web space as well. So check that out. So what I'm going to do today for you is I'm going to add a little bit of the clip from the app so you can actually learn the yoga flow yourselves, and then I'll add little mini clips in of me trying to learn it myself as well.
Yeah, I've been practicing myself for about 20 years and I wouldn't be without it. It's so important to bring mind, body and breath into one, and so important in these challenging times that we can connect back with the breath and focusing on the body, so it really becomes like a moving meditation as well as a great physical practice, but it also is a workout for the mind as well.
Wow, well, all of those fantastic reasons, I think we should all get trying some yoga. We hope you enjoy.
Hi and welcome to our stretchy flow. We are going to be working through the spine, taking a nice flow with the breath and generally moving the body. So finding a comfortable seat once again, maybe taking a block or a couple of blankets to raise the hips up. And with the hands resting on the thighs, moving to your left, we're just going to spiral around, starting to release into the lower back. So taking these circles through the chest, the shoulders, the hips, so making the circles as big or as small as you like. And as you inhale, we're going to take the circles in the opposite direction. One more time. Coming back to center, aligning the spine, hips up. Sweep the arms up and overhead, interlace the fingertips as you press the heels of the hands towards the ceiling. Exhale, tuck the chin towards the chest as you round up the spine, feeling the space between the shoulder blades. Exhale, press the hands away. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. One more flow. Inhale, lift up and lengthen. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. This time, as the hands lift up and over, release the interlace. Bring your left hand to the base of the spine. Right hand coming across the thigh, twisting to the left. As you exhale, come back to center. Sweep the arms up and overhead. Release the right hand to the base of the spine. Left hand coming across. Take the gaze over your right shoulder. Sweep the arms up and overhead. Interlace the fingertips as you press the heels of the hands towards the ceiling. Exhale, tuck the chin towards the chest as you round up the spine. tabletop. So on your hands and knees, and start to circle around, starting to weight bear through the wrists. And again, taking the circles in the opposite direction. Coming back to centre. Exhale, drop the hips back towards the heels. Take the knees out nice and wide. Extending the chest, releasing the forehead. As you relax the chest to the mat. Nice deep inhales and exhales. Moving with your next exhale, taking the gaze to the hands. As you check that the wrists are parallel to the front edge of your mat, inhale, coming up to all fours, tuck toes, lift up hips, coming up to our downward facing dog. So you want to step the feet about hip width distance apart, pressing the hands into the mat as if you're plugging the hands into the earth, lifting the hips up nice and high. And if there's any issues with tight hamstrings, then feel free to bend the knees, softening the back of the body. Otherwise, just drawing the heels down towards the mat. Doesn't matter if they don't touch. We're creating length and space through the spine, down through the hamstrings. As you take one more full cycle with your breath here, exhale, ground in the knees, and step your right foot forward between hands. Press down into the back foot. Inhale, reaching the arms up high, gaze up towards the ceiling, pressing down through the back foot. Exhale, take the hands behind the back, lace your fingertips, opening up chest, shoulders, creating your back bend. Exhale, release. Sweeping up the arms overhead, exhale, frame your front foot. Tuck the back toes, push into the back heel. So reach your right arm forward as you twist to the right, taking the gaze to the top thumb, or as it's known in yogic terms, our drishti, our gaze. Exhale, ground in the right hand, and step in the right leg back to downward facing dog. Hips high, lengthening the spine. Drawing your awareness back to the breath. As you take your next exhale, lower the knees, step your left foot forward between the hands and ground the back of the top foot. Inhale, reaching up, crescent lunge. Exhale, take the hands behind the back, lace your fingertips, opening up chest, shoulders, create more back bend. Feeling the space right across the chest and the shoulders. Exhale, release the interlace, sweep the arms up and over, frame your front foot, tuck the back toes, push into the back heel, right hand stays grounded, left arm reaches forward, twist to the left, our drishti, our focal point to the top hand. Exhale, lower the left hand, and step the left foot back to downward facing dog. Hips high, pressing down into the hands again. Feeling that lovely space into the back of the body. As we start to flow with the breath, inhale, coming forward through to our plank position, pressing back through the heels of the feet, strong through the hands, grounding the knees. Chest and chin releases to the mat, release the toes. Inhale, coming up to cobra. Exhale, lower the chest. Tuck the toes, hips back to heels. And as you inhale, coming up to downward facing dog. Bringing your awareness back to the breath. Inhaling, exhaling. One more cycle with your breath.
I hope you enjoyed learning that yoga flow with Diana. I've enjoyed relaxing on a Sunday. I think it's important we have a sort of rest recovery day, but keep it up with my fitness. I thought yoga was a great idea. So hope you all enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you all tomorrow for more fitness fun. So I think it's time for bubbles, guys.